Okay, this is the phone. You have to remove the 2 screws at the back of the phone down here. Okay, now you need to remove the SIM tray. Okay, then you start opening it from down here. You just put the pen set like this, you raise it up like this, you raise it up. Okay, then you open it. You be careful for the volume key and the power button cable, this one here. You disconnect it from the side here. Okay, then you put it one side. Now you need to remove this screw. You remove this panel. Okay, and remove this other one here. Remove the other panel also. Okay, now you disconnect the battery. Disconnect the LCD cable. This is the LCD cable. Disconnect this one, not this one. Leave this one. Okay, then now you need to remove this cable. Disconnect this cable because you need to take out the ringer. Okay, okay. Now you remove this panel here also, so you can have access to take out the ringer. Because you need to remove this ringer so you can remove the LCD cable very easy. Take out this panel. Okay, you remove the LCD cable, the ringer. Take out the charging system also. It's better to be on the safer side. Disconnect the Wi-Fi cable. Okay, when you disconnect it, you have to be careful. Don't spoil anything down there. Disconnect this cable also. Don't connect to the charging system motherboard. Okay, then you try to remove the motherboard. Just raise it up like this. You take it out a bit. Okay, try to remove the ringer. Okay, you take out the ringer. Like you can still fix you fix back the charging system motherboard just to be the safer side if it's your first time for you to open it. Okay, connect by this connector. Fix the Wi-Fi cable, don't forget. So that the network will become strong. If you don't fix this Wi-Fi cable, the network will not become strong, become very weak. You should make sure you fix it perfect. Okay, now you put out the heat machine at least to 10-15 minutes so you can remove the LCD. After I heat it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, now you take out the LCD. Just put the pen set inside like this. Remove the LCD. Okay, you make sure you clean all this glue right around the phone so that you can have access to put the new glue. You clean it right around like this. So many glue, make sure you clean all the glue right around the phone. After you clean all the glue, now you have to put the glue, new glue. You make sure you put it right around. Okay, don't put on top of the camera, don't put on top of the sensor, just put close to the camera and the sensor. Okay, then make sure you put the glue right around the phone. Make sure you put it right around the phone. Okay, after you finish, put all the glue. Okay, before you fix the LCD, make sure you always remove this cover from the old LCD and put it back to protect the speaker. Okay, then you put it from the new one here before you fix the LCD. Okay, it's very important to protect the speaker. Okay, now you need to fix the LCD cable. Make sure this cable passes through this hole here like this. Okay, then you put the LCD. Make sure you put the LCD straight, don't bend it. Okay, you make it rest properly like this. Okay, okay, then you fix the cable, fix it to the motherboard here perfectly like this. Okay, then you fix the ringer back. Make sure you fix the ringer back here. Okay, you connect this ringer cable. Okay, then you connect the battery terminal. Make sure you fix it properly. Connect it back here like this. Okay, now you need to put back the panel. Make sure you put them, very important, to protect the cable not to remove when the phone fall down. You put it them back. So you place back the screw there. Okay, then you put the other one panel. These panels are all important. If you don't put them, when the phone fall down, the connector will come out, the display will goes off. Make sure you put them. Okay, don't forget to put the one screw back for the ringer here. Okay, now you need to fix the back cover. Okay, you make sure you connect the connector first, the volume key and the power button. Make sure you connect it first before you close it. You connect it at the side here. Okay, you start to close it. You start from the top side like this. Make sure you put the cover like this on top. Okay, then you close it down. Close the window. Okay, then make sure you put the two screw back. You take out from downside. Okay. Okay, don't forget you put the SIM tray. Okay, now you need to put on charge and test because the battery is not charged. Put on charge. Okay, okay, I mean it's charging now. Okay, I mean the LCD is okay. I mean it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.